Nomenclature of carbon compounds refers to the systematic way of naming organic molecules based on their structure and functional groups. The International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry (IUPAC) provides guidelines for naming organic compounds. Key principles include 1. Identifying the parent chain. Find the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms, known as the parent chain. 2. Numbering the carbon atoms. Assign a number to each carbon atom in the parent chain to indicate the position of substituents and functional groups. The numbering should start from the end nearest to the first substituent or functional group. 3. Naming substituents. Substituents are groups attached to the parent chain. They are named based on their size and functional groups. Common substituents include methyl CH3, ethyl C2H5, hydroxyl EO, etc. 4. Determining the base name. The base name is derived from the parent chain and indicates the number of carbon atoms in the chain. For example, methane 1 carbon, ethane 2 carbons, propane 3 carbons, etc. 5. Naming multiple substituents. If there are multiple substituents, list them alphabetically in the name, along with their position numbers. 6. Identifying functional groups. Functional groups are specific arrangements of atoms that impart characteristic chemical properties to organic compounds. They are named and located using appropriate prefixes or suffixes. 7. Using prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes indicate the presence of substituents, while suffixes denote the functional groups. For example, chloride indicates a chlorine substituent, while eol denotes an alcohol functional group. 8. Considering stereochemistry. In some cases, it's necessary to specify the spatial arrangement of atoms in a molecule, especially if it exhibits geometric isomerism or chirality. By following these rules, organic chemists can systematically name and communicate the structures of carbon compounds, ensuring clarity and consistency in chemical communication.